Today, let's have a look at this absolute perfect replica of the Billy bike from the Easy Rider movie. Well, welcome to Bator International and Bator Classic Auctions. I'm very proud to offer up this gorgeous panhead. This is an absolute perfect replica of the Billy bike from the Easy Rider movie, starring Dennis Hopper and Peter Fonda. I just completed this motorcycle myself. This has been a 2+ year project, if not more. And we've gone through all kinds of steps to make sure that this bike is dead to nuts perfect. As you can see, we have the open mouth skulls, which we 3D printed. We replicated the paint scheme, absolute. Has the police generator. I made these handlebars well over 20 years ago when I built another set of replicas for Otis Chandler back in 1993. So those handlebars are over 20 years old. It's a 6-inch overextension, Mustang style peanut tank, mousetrap clutch. Has the 64 Chevy buttons on the seat. Perfectly replicated rear sissy bar. Anderson foot pegs. Linkert M74B carburetor with the red fuel lines. The Dash 65 mufflers. And all in all, I've never seen or have ever built a more perfect replica. I've studied this bike over and over. And I'm very proud of this project. Has the red bicycle style cable covers, Wassel front fender, 21-inch front wheel running an Avon. Proper oil lines. Correct rear tire. 16-inch wheel, obviously. Spent a lot of time on the license plate bracket, making sure it's absolutely perfect. And overall, just an absolutely beautiful, beautiful motorcycle. Well, if you have interest in this motorcycle, feel free to give me a call direct. Or you can check it out on our websites, Bator Classic Auctions and BatorInternational.com. Hope you like what we do here. And hopefully you enjoy this beautiful, beautiful motorcycle. Thanks for watching.